Imagine having a shadow that doesn't just mimic your movements but also mirrors your very being. Twins are nature's living paradox, a blend of genetic mystery and wonder. Welcome back to Gene's Wellness. Today, we're exploring a topic that has intrigued scientists and the public alike for centuries: the genetics of twins, nature's own version of buy one get one free. There are two types: the Xerox copies, known as identical twins, and the mix and match, known as fraternal twins. Identical twins or monozygotic twins are like nature hitting the copy-paste shortcut. They occur when a single fertilized egg splits into two. It all begins when a sperm fertilizes an egg. This union creates a single cell, called a zygote. After it's formed, the zygote begins a process of cell division through mitosis, and this process continues, resulting in more and more cells. In these early stages, every cell is totipotent, meaning they all have the potential to develop into a complete individual. What happens in the case of identical twins is that during these initial divisions, for reasons not fully understood, the group of cells that make up the embryo splits into two separate groups. Each of these groups of cells continues to grow and develop independently, though they may or may not share the placenta and amniotic sac depending on the time when the split happens. Imagine you're baking a cake and you've just mixed all your ingredients in a bowl. This mixture is like a single fertilized egg or zygote. Now suppose you decide to divide this mixture evenly into two separate baking pans. Each pan now contains an identical mixture, just like the initial cell division in identical twins. As you bake them, both cakes grow and develop independently, yet they started from the same mixture and will end up being remarkably similar. Fraternal twins, or dizygotic twins, happen when two separate eggs are fertilized by two different sperm cells. They share about 50% of their DNA, just like any other siblings. It's just like the two siblings born at the same time. Here's a fun fact: even identical twins have different fingerprints, which seems counterintuitive but is true. So nature has given them some sort of built-in identity theft protection plan. Now the question of why some families have twins, the answer lies in the mix of genetics and environmental factors. For fraternal twins, genetics plays a role, particularly on the mother's side. If a woman's family has a history of fraternal twins, she might be more likely to have them herself. This is often due to genetic factors that lead to hyperovulation, releasing more than one egg during ovulation. Here is another fact: Nigeria has one of the highest rates of twinning in the world. Why? You guessed it right: genetics. Other than genetics causing the release of more than one egg, factors like follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH, and age can also create fraternal twins. Interestingly, the occurrence of identical twins is mostly random and does not typically run in families. It's like nature's spontaneous decision: you got lucky. Here, take two of them. Identical and fraternal twins are an invaluable resource for genetic research. By comparing identical twins who share the same DNA to fraternal twins who share about half of their DNA, scientists gain insights into the age-old nature versus nurture debate. Even more fascinating, when identical twins are raised in different environments, the variations in their development can offer further insights into this debate. Whether you're part of a twin pair or simply fascinated by them, there's no denying the special place twins hold in the study of genetics. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting dives into the world of genetics.